Welcome to episode 4 of our English learning podcast. Today, we will talk about grocery shopping. Shopping is part of our daily life. Let's learn how to do it in English. First, I make a shopping list at home. I write the items I need: bread, milk, eggs, fruits, vegetables, and rice. Sometimes I also write snacks and drinks. Making a list helps me remember everything and save time. Next, I go to the grocery store. I take a basket or a shopping cart. I look for the items on my list. I start with fresh fruits and vegetables. I check which fruits are ripe. I choose apples, bananas, and oranges. I also pick some tomatoes, lettuce, and carrots. I touch the vegetables to check if they are fresh. I say to myself, "These look good." Then I go to the dairy section. I take milk, cheese, and yogurt. I check the expiration dates to make sure the food is fresh. Sometimes I ask the staff, "Excuse me, where is the cheese?" They answer politely and help me. Next, I go to the bread section. I choose whole wheat bread. I also take eggs from the refrigerator. Sometimes I look for special offers. I check the prices and compare different brands. I say, "This is cheaper. I will take this one." When I have everything, I go to the cashier. I put my items on the counter. I pay with cash or card. I say thank you to the cashier and leave the store. At home, I put the groceries in the fridge and cupboard. I feel happy because I bought healthy food. Shopping is not only for buying food, it also helps me practice English words. I can talk about fruits, vegetables, and daily items in English. Thank you for listening to episode 4. Now, I want to ask you a question. What do you usually buy when you go shopping? Write it in the comments. See you in the next episode.